Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ki Pulit ka West Jaintia Hills District kilasnok tilang bat kari man Kymmaw Burom ya kasngi kablatip kum ka police Commemoration Day ha kasngi sa jan ka arpu artarik urisau ar haja arpu ar. Ya kani ka jing Kymmaw Burom la pelong hapalau ka Police Reserve Administration Building West Jaintia Hills DF Jawai bat lasdang ya ka jing Kymmaw Burom da ka basiat penbetai sun bat ka jing ngap jar ka ba ar minute kum kadak ka jing Kymmaw ya ki minsim jongki. Superintendent of Police Bikram Marak ulaong Ïaka Commemoration Day la Kymmaw Burom malau snem ki Pulit ki bala IT lot ya ka jing im ban syakri ha ki benta bapher jongkari. Ulay thu ba mentau snem la don hadu ars pa handru pusawngot ki Pulit jongkari ki bala do no ya ka jing im ha ka jing syakri ya kari. Kum kadak ka jing Kymmaw Burom ya ki la bu sentiru ya ki ars pa handru pusawngot ki Pulit ki ba syakri ha ki benta bapher na keleng kari ki bala pendep ya ka kamram. Ha kani ka Police Commemoration Day la don lang u Additional SP u B Chetri ka DSP Headquarter ka CW Lingdo u Commanding Officer ka 3rd MLP Battalion u Shempang Serti u Superintendent ka District Prisons and Correctional Services West Jaintia Hills u U Kindia u DSP ka DPCS u Batskem Nongbri bat kiway ki Officer Pulit na kitinat bapher. Hadin kani USP ulakawe lama ya kabait rally West meets North in East kabalalam khamad do commandant ka 3rd Battalion MLP sapsen u Shempang Serti.
बार-बार चौदह जेन्युइन प्रेड पर हाजिर है और प्रेड को शुरू करने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान जेन्युइन प्रेड बाजो सस जेन्युइन प्रेड नमस्ते
Observing Police Commemoration Day every year on 21st of October. We commemorate the martyrs, the officers and men who laid down their lives for the country. It started all the way from 1959 when the Chinese fired upon our Indian soldiers and 10 of them martyred on that particular day. And almost after 1 month, their body was handed over by the Chinese to the Indian. And they were buried with full honor. And from that day itself, 21st October, Police Commemoration was observed every year on this particular day.